everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my YouTube beauty videos. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. My goal of creating this channel is to protect you from using harsh chemical and save your hard-earned money and time. If your hair are dry and unhealthy, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to do keratin treatment at home. Keratin treatment will make your hair silky, smooth, long and healthy. You can do this keratin treatment at salon as well. However, it's expensive and short-lived. That's why I thought to share this treatment with you so that you can do it at home. So let's see how to do this keratin treatment at home. But before we do that, please like, share and comment on my videos and subscribe to my channel. Make a keratin paste. We need our first ingredient. We need 1 cup boiled rice. Boiled rice helps to cure damaged hair and stop hair fall. It also protects hair from breaking and getting damaged. In addition, rice helps to moisturize hair and make them silky. Our second ingredient is cornstarch. We need 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Cornstarch improves the health of hair follicles and roots. It also prevents hair loss and make our hair stronger and long. Our third ingredient is coconut milk. Coconut milk has all the right nutrition for our hair such as vitamin E, potassium, iron and fats. This nutrition stimulates hair growth and make our hair long. It also helps to moisturize hair. And our fourth ingredient is coconut oil or olive oil. Coconut oil or olive oil helps hair to be silky and shiny. It also increases hair growth and make our hair healthy and beautiful. To make this paste, we need mix all these ingredients in a mixture grinder. So we need 1 cup boiled rice. We need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We need 1/4 cup coconut milk, and we need 2 tablespoon of olive oil, and we have to make a smooth paste in a mixture grinder for 2 minutes. You can see now my paste is ready and it's a creamy texture. So my paste was little bit dry, so I added a little bit more coconut milk. Now I will take it into a bowl. Take it out all this, and we have to apply it in our hair. So you have to apply this keratin paste in our hair. So just take a little bit in our fingertip and just take a little hair string and then apply this in our hair, and after that with your 2 fingers just do like this, so your hair can be so straight. So keep doing with all your hair and apply it all over your hair. Just keep taking this little hair and apply it in your hair till hair length and end of your hair tips. So keep doing like this. As you can see, now I have applied this keratin paste all over hair, and we have to keep it for 2 hours, and after 2 hours we have to wash hair. After that, just tie your hair with the rubber band. And we have to keep it for 2 hours, so that we have to apply a shower cap as well, and we have to keep it for 2 hours, and I'll show you the result after 2 hours. 2 hours I wash hair, and you can see that hair is so soft, silky, smooth, and now I will dry hair with the hair dryer. See, now the hair is almost straight and silky smooth and manageable, and now we'll use this straightener to make our hair more straight. Straightening, you can see the hair is so straight, smooth and soft. Now this keratin treatment is so easy to do it at home, and this keratin treatment will work on your hair up to 2 to 3 months, and after 2 to 3 months you have to do it again. And so please try this keratin treatment at your home and share your result in the comment section below. Please like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.